Hello and welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your taskbar in Windows 11. Before we begin, I would like to say a huge thank you to the Real Omega Money channel for the idea after they left this comment in one of my other videos. I've already changed the taskbar layout on my personal device, but I thought I'd create a video to show you on a virtual machine. As always, if you have any suggestions on what video I should make next, let me know in the comments below. Let's get into it. On your desktop, if you right click the taskbar, and then select taskbar settings. In here you can show or hide any buttons that appear on the taskbar. So here we can get rid of the task view, turn widgets on and off, and we can get rid of that task view that's there. I don't have a use for it, so I turn it off usually. And the widgets, you can keep them on or you can turn them off. But then if you go into taskbar behaviors at the bottom, you can change the taskbar alignment. You can keep it center or you can move left. I'm going to move it left, like so. Customize it in any way that you like. I like to have a tidy taskbar, so I'm going to disable the task view, which I already did. Then I'm going to change the search to hide. So at the search box, I'm going to hit hide. You can always use the window key to instantly bring up the start menu anyway, so you've not lost it. So if I just hit the Windows key, I'll bring up the search. So it's all down to personal preference on what you do. And that's pretty much it. You can also unpin anything unnecessary from the taskbar, so you just right click. I'm going to get rid of the Microsoft Store, so unpin from taskbar. I'm going to unpin Microsoft Edge because I don't use it. And we'll keep File Explorer. So it does give you the option to unpin anything there, or you can add your own pinned. And there you have it. It's a very short video, but I hope it helped in some way. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you on the next one.